Hello, good evening, children.
Good evening, ma'am.
Namaste. Good evening.
Good evening, beta. Good evening to all. How are you?
I'm fine now. How are you, ma'am?
I'm good too. Okay. Nishika, Neha, please turn on the videos.
Just a minute.
Okay. Children, let's begin. Okay. In the last class, we had finished with the basic geometrical shapes, right? So we have to start another chapter today. So shall we start with integers? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Shall we revise integers first?
Yes, ma'am.
Sure. Let's do. Okay. Now you can see integers. See, integers includes all natural numbers. Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now see, even those who have not attended this chapter earlier, you can take the benefit of it. Okay, Nishika and Shriyansh. Okay. Now see, integers are all numbers which includes set of natural numbers, whole numbers, and negative numbers. See, you all know set of natural numbers is, what are natural numbers? Nishika will tell me. Yes, Nishika.
Ma'am, natural numbers are like numbers above 1.
Numbers above 1. Okay. So we say that those numbers which comes naturally to us, right? If we are given some apples to count, so how we will count? We'll start from 1, 2, 3 and all, right? We won't do like this, no? -1, -2, 0, 1, 2. We never count like this. Or we anytime we do like this 0, 1 by 2, 1, 3 by 2. Do we do like this?
No,
Do
ma'am.
we do like this? No, no. We just do, we take natural numbers. 1, then 2, then 3, which comes naturally to us. So we call them as counting numbers also. Okay, so natural numbers are all set of numbers from 1, 2, 3, and so on till infinity, plus positive, all positive numbers, right? And when 0 is added to this set of numbers, we say that these are now whole numbers. Whole numbers are denoted by the capital letter W. Okay, when 0 is added to it. Okay, now we have another set of numbers which is added to it, negative numbers. So, like -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, and so on, right? So we call these numbers as integers. Integers are denoted by the capital letter Z. Okay, which includes all whole numbers and negative numbers, right? See, 0, every number has its negative, right? 2 has its negative, 3 has its negative, similarly 4, 5, every number has its negatives, right? Till infinity, positive infinity to negative infinity. Okay, except 0, right? Okay. Now, when we are talking about ordering of integers, now this is, okay, let's see about the representation on the number line. Now, suppose this is a number line. Number line in the center, we have 0. On the right side, this is the right side. This is the left side. On the right side, we have positive numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, so on till infinity. Okay, infinity we write like this. Then on the other side of 0, that is towards the left side, we have negative numbers -1, -2, -3, -4, and so on. Right? So, and you see one thing. Now, suppose numbers are always increasing towards the right side. Towards the right side, numbers are always increasing. Like say 4 is greater than 3, 3 is greater than 2, 2 is greater than 1 is greater than 0, 0 is greater than -1, -1 is greater than -2, -2 is greater than -3, and so on, right? So every number which is towards the right side is always greater. Any number which is towards the left side is always smaller. Are you understanding? Yes, children?
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So all the numbers increase towards the right side. I have made this right side arrow. Okay. So numbers always increase towards the right side. Now we'll talk about the order of integers. Now ordering integers in sequence order. Now suppose randomly you are given some numbers. Like suppose these numbers you are given -3, 7, -4, -8, -1, -3. Can you show them on the number line? Quickly make number 9 in your notebooks and look find these numbers. Just highlight these numbers on the number line. Yes, everyone, please. You'll be showing me your work.
Mom, can you repeat the question?
Yes, beta. I'm saying these are the numbers you can see in this box. It's written -3, 7, -4, -8, -1, -3 on the number line. So you have to mark these numbers on the number line.
Okay. Mom, I did it.
Yes. Just highlight the numbers. Good, good, Trilokya. Yes. So whatever number, suppose you're marking -3 on the number line, so you have to like this, circle the number just to highlight it. Okay. Yes, Shriyansh, little down. Yes. Good, beta, I can see. Good, Shriyansh. Yes, Neha. Neha, done, beta?
Yes, mom. Yes.
Nishika, done? Yes, good Neha. Good, nice.
Okay.
Nishika, bring it closer. Yes, yes. Good Nishika, I can see your work. Good beta. Now see children. Now suppose this is a step well. Have you all seen a step well? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Anyone who has not seen? Now see, this is the step well, right? So many steps are there inside to get down inside the well. Now the water level is here, you can see. So this level, the water level is the zero level. We mark this level as the zero level. So the numbers, the steps above the water level, like this up one. So this is first step, so it's 1. Second step, 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, so on. Okay. And the steps below, that is inside, that is immersed inside the water, we mark it as -1, -2, -3, and so on. Right? You must have seen in elevators also, right? Yes, when the lift goes on the first floor, it's level 1, then second floor level 2, third floor level 3, and so on. And sometimes what happens when there is basement, normally parkings are there in basements, right? So when it goes down into the first level below in the basement, that's level -1, then that's level -2, level -3, is it? You have seen like this? So the ground level is zero level. Above that is all positive numbers. Below that is negative numbers. Are you understanding? So let's come to the exercise part. Okay, write opposite of the following. Increase in weight. What will you write the opposite of this? I'll ask each one of you one by one. Trilokya,
Yes, ma'am, it will be decrease in weight.
decrease in weight, right. Next, Shreyansh, 30 kilometers north.
30 kilometers south.
30 kilometers
South.
south, right?
Yes, ma'am.
See, when we are, talking about opposite of the direction, suppose this is the north direction, okay? And this is 30 kilometers towards south, right? So what is happening here? If we have to represent 30 kilometers south, so we will write, if we have to write this thing in integers, in values, then we will write -30 kilometer. -30 kilometer means 30 kilometers south in the opposite direction,
Okay, ma'am.
right?
Okay.
And 30 kilometers north will be 30 kilometers only, or we can even write positive in front of this. Are you understanding? So this is positive 30 towards north, and when you're talking about south, then this is -30, right? No, but this is only the opposites we are talking about. In the next question, we will be asked about its integer values. Okay. Now see the next one, 80 meter east. Neha, tell me.
But 80 meter is 80 meters west.
80 meters west. Good. Now, Nishika, loss of rupees 700.
Ma'am, can it be gain of rupees 700?
Yes, absolutely correct, beta. Okay, next, Trilokya, 100 meter above sea level.
Ma'am, 100 meter below sea level.
Below sea level. Okay. Next. See the next question. Represent the following numbers as integers with appropriate signs. Now this is what we were talking about just now, this thing and this. Right? So we have to represent as integers with the appropriate sign. Which sign will be there? Positive or negative? Now let's see the first one. An aeroplane is flying at a height 2000 meter above the ground. Now how will you represent this 2000 meter above the ground? How will you represent as integers. Yes? Neha, you tell me.
Ma'am, 100 meter is below sea level.
No, this one I'm asking. An aeroplane is flying at a height of 2000 meter above the ground.
Yes, ma'am. So it's plus 2000 meters.
Plus 2000, right? So this you can write it as plus 2000 meters, right? Because it is above the ground. Now, a submarine is moving at the depth 800 meters below the sea level. Nishika,
Yes, ma'am. It would be minus 800 meters.
minus 800 meters. Good, because it is below the sea level, no? Okay, Shreyansh now. A deposit of rupees 200
Plus 200 rupees.
plus 200. That means we are adding into our savings, right? We are depositing something. Depositing means making some savings in the bank. Okay. Trilokya, withdrawal of rupees 700.
Minus rupees 700.
Minus rupees 700. Withdrawal means taking out money from our savings, right? Okay, so then the next question, represent the following numbers on the number line. So you have just represented some numbers on the number line. Let's move on to the next question. Now, adjacent figure is a vertical line representing integers. Observe it. Now, this is the line given to you. You can see the vertical line here. Now, if point B is plus 8, then which point is minus 8? If B is representing plus 8, then what is minus 8? Oh, where is it? One second.
Can you show?
I'm scrolling. Now you can see.
Ma'am, will it be E?
One second. We'll check out. Okay. See, now you can do, this is your 0. The first number is here plus 8. You can name all the numbers. You can write numbers along one side. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And below 0 is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8. This is minus 9, minus 10. So where is minus 8 now?
F.
F. This is the point F. Okay, got it? Now let's see the next question. Let me scroll a little more down. Okay. Now see the next one. Is point G a negative integer or a positive integer? Now you can see in the figure, is G a positive integer or a negative integer? Now where is G? Just see G.
Negative.
G is a negative integer. You can see this.
It's
G is
minus
minus 6.
6.
Okay. Then write integers for points B and E. So what are the integers which represent the point B and E? So you can see here E is representing the point minus 10. Yes? E is minus 10 and B is representing which point? B is 4. Okay, B is 4. Which point marked on this number line has the least value? Now, which number has the least value? Least means the smallest of all. Yes, Nishika?
Yes, ma'am. Can you repeat the question?
Which point marked on this number line has the least value?
Ma'am, minus 10.
Minus 10. So that alphabet is E. Okay, good. So because we always denote point with the capital letter. Okay, so this capital letter is E. It's asking of which point. So point is point E and its value is -10. Okay. Now, next question, arrange all the points in decreasing order of values. So you have to arrange the points in their decreasing order of values. Can you write down? Can you arrange them in order? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Take all the points A, B, C, D and arrange them in order, decreasing order.
Ma'am, I will
Write it in your notebooks.
descending order or
Descending order. In decreasing order, no? So that's descending order.
okay.
D for decreasing, D for descending.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Shreyansh, read the order.
Yes, ma'am. First will be D, then C, B, D, C, B, A, O, H, G, F, E, ma'am. Ma'am, you are muted, ma'am. Huh?
Yes, children. Yes, yes. Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Shreyansh, the order was D you said first.
Yes, ma'am. D, then C, then B, A, then O, H, G, E, sorry, G, F, G.
This O is the number. Okay, O is not alphabet. It's a number.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Mhm. Good, beta, that's correct. Okay, now see, following is the list of temperatures of 5 places in India on a particular day of the year. Now see, can you write these temperatures here in form of integers? Siachen, that is 100 degrees centigrade below 0 degrees centigrade. How will you write this? How will you write this?
Ma'am,
-10.
100 degree,
No,
100
not
degree.
100 degrees. It's 10 degrees. Wait, I'm sorry. 10 degrees below 0 degree.
Ma'am, minus 10 degree.
Yes, you can write it as -10 degrees centigrade. Trilokya, how will you write this? 2 degrees centigrade below 0 degrees centigrade.
-2 degrees.
Minus 2 degrees, right? Neha, Ahmedabad, how will you write?
Ma'am, plus 30.
Plus 30 degrees centigrade. Nishika, 20
Yes.
degrees centigrade above 0 degrees centigrade.
Ma'am, plus 20 degrees.
Yes, plus 20 degrees, right? Srinagar. Trilokya, how will you write Srinagar? 5 degrees below 0 degrees.
-5 degrees.
Minus 5 degrees, right? Now you can locate all these numbers on the number line? Yes? Okay, you can do this. We have done. Now tell me which is the coolest place here. Among all these, which is the coolest place here? Neha, you tell me.
The coolest place is Siachen.
Coolest place is Siachen, whose temperature is -10 degrees centigrade, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, write the names of places where temperatures are above 10 degrees. So above 10 degrees is positive. So that means you can write down this 20 degree and 30 degree are above 10 degrees. Okay. In each of the following place, which number is to the right on the right of the other? Okay, tell me which is on the right side. 2 and 9. Trilokya.
Ma'am, 9 is to the right.
9 is to the right side. Nishika, -3 and -8, which is towards the right side?
Ma'am, -3.
-3. Shreyansh, 0 and -1, which is towards the right side? Yes, Shreyansh? Neha, you tell me?
Ma'am, 0.
0. Okay, always the greater number is towards the right side. Very good. Okay. -11, 10. Trilokya,
Yes, ma'am. 10.
yes. Okay, now let's do write all integers between the given pairs, write them in increasing order. Okay. Write 4 negative integers greater than -20. So tell me, Trilokya, 4 negative integers greater than -20. Just name any two.
-19 and -18.
Yes, -19, -18. Okay. Nishika, write 4 integers less than -10. Tell me two.
Ma'am, -11 and -15.
-15. Okay.
Ma'am, actually, I had one network issue, ma'am.
Okay, okay. No
I
problem.
lost.
Okay, no worries. Okay. So let's see this true false. Okay. 8 is to the right of -10 on a number line. Yes, Shreyansh, you tell me. Is it okay now, Shreyansh?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. -8 is to the right of -10 on the number line. Tell me true or false?
True, ma'am.
True. Okay. -100 is to the right of -50. Nishika.
False, ma'am.
False. Smallest negative integer is -1. Neha. Yes, Neha?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me the smallest negative integer is -1. True, false? True,
Ma'am, false.
false. Okay, because the smallest number is always towards the right side, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, because -1 is the number which is on the rightmost of the negative out of these, all the negative numbers.
Yes, ma'am.
So when you go towards the left, you will get the smallest negative number like this. Okay, -26 is greater than -25. Yes, Shreyansh?
No, ma'am. False.
No. Okay. So let's move further. Addition of integers. Now I'm not going into number line addition because you have already done this, right? We'll do directly with the numbers, right? So let's revise the sign rule now. Look here. Yes, children. See here. Whenever we have two plus signs together, plus and plus, okay, either it is, even if you are multiplying, plus into plus is always plus. That means when you are multiplying two positive integers, it's always, your answer is always positive, right? When you are multiplying two negative one positive, one negative, your answer will always be negative, right? Listen carefully. When, okay, the same combination, negative, positive, your answer will be negative. When you have both negative and negative signs together, when you are multiplying, your answer will be positive. Okay? When you have two same signs together, your answer, result will always be positive. When you have two opposite signs together, your answer will be negative. Are you understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, this is for multiplication.
This I have told you for multiplication. Otherwise also, because see, otherwise you just remember this rule because it applies everywhere. Now see, let's take these numbers. Now this is not addition. See, -7 plus 8, right? But what are you doing between these two numbers? You are adding them. But what is here? Plus into plus. Plus into plus will be plus only. So -7 plus 8, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. And now when you do simple subtraction here, now you can see this 7 is with the negative sign. 8 is with the positive sign. 8 minus 7 is 1.
1, ma'am.
Right? Sign will always be of a greater number. So, greater number sign.
Okay, ma'am. Understood, ma'am.
Same way here. Minus into minus is plus. So, it becomes -9 plus 13. 13 minus 9 is 4. And what sign will you put for the answer?
Plus
Sign
4.
of the bigger number.
Plus
4. So, that sign is plus. Right? Everyone, please understand carefully. Then I'll ask you some questions. Okay. 7 plus minus 10 now. Now you can see here plus is here and inside the bracket there is minus. So plus into minus. So here we are looking at the product rule. Plus into minus is minus. So that means 7 plus 7 minus 10. Right? You can see like this, plus 7 minus 10. So 10 minus 7 is just subtract the numbers first. 10 minus 7 is 3. Then put the sign of the bigger number, just like this. Right? Do the subtraction as you do normally and put the sign of the greater number. This is all you have to do. Right? Now if you see this number, the next one, 12 plus minus 7. Plus into minus is minus. Okay, so you have 12 minus 7 now. 12 minus 7 is 5. And sign of the greater number. Out of the two, which is the greater number?
plus, ma'am. Plus 12.
Plus 12. Right? Okay. Let's see some more questions on this. This is the most important thing in this chapter. Adding, subtracting integers, multiplying the integers. Okay. Okay. Now see. Find the sum of -9 plus 4 plus -6 plus 3. Now, what we will do, see, whenever we have these two signs together, we will make it 1, right? So, we have the first number as -9. Now, plus into plus is plus only 4. Plus into minus is -6. Plus into plus is plus 3. Right? Are you understanding? Now, next step is that we take the same sign numbers. 4 has a plus sign, 3 has a plus sign, right? So we add the same sign numbers now. 4 plus 3 is 7. Then we take the other two same sign numbers, -9, -6. So 9 -9 -6 is what? We take the minus sign out. We have 9 plus 6, that is 15. So that is minus of 15. Right? Are you understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, only Shriyansh is saying yes, ma'am. No one else? Nishika, Neha, Trilokya.
I'm understood.
Okay. Nishika?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now minus 15 plus 7. So 15 minus, just subtract the numbers first. 15 minus 7 is 8. And then you put the sign of the bigger number. Which is the bigger number? Which is the bigger number?
-15.
No, I'm saying which is, when I'm asking which is the bigger number means you just have to see the bigger number. Ignore the signs. Don't look at the sign. Bigger number is 15, no? So 15 has a negative sign. So we'll write negative here.
-8, ma'am.
Okay? Are you understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
So just see whichever is the bigger number, that sign you will put with the answer. Right? Okay,
Yes,
we'll
ma'am.
do some more sums like this. So what you will do today, should I give you this homework? Can you try this? You take these sums today for homework, right? I'll send you picture of these sums, right?
Okay, ma'am.
that's homework. You must try these sums.
Okay,
Right?
ma'am.
And if you have any doubts, then we have a class tomorrow also, we can discuss. Okay, for this Sunday test, okay, we have a class on Friday now, no?
Yes, ma'am. We have Friday and then Saturday, ma'am.
Saturday. Okay, so which chapter have we done so that I can give you for Sunday test?
Ma'am, basic geometry maybe.
Yes. Last time we had whole numbers, is it? We had whole numbers only, no, for the test?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
No, playing with numbers.
Oh, yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Sorry.
Objective. Okay, this time you have objective test, so we can have basic geometrical shapes, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, I'll give you the message also. We can have basic geometrical ideas for your Sunday test. This time it will be objective.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay,
Bye,
thank
ma'am.
you. Bye, beta. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Okay, beta. Thank you. Bye-bye.